Okay, I'm doing a part two because I came up with some other issues. I'd like to point them out real quick. This is for the passenger side door. That's for the driver's side door. That's why they're opposite. But, and I've already made the modification. I probably should have showed you this video before I did it. But anyway, this edge on these for the 66 C10 pickup is actually bent out. So I was forced to bend it in because on the 64, I guess all the way up to 67, since they're basically the same exact door, is perfectly squared, as you can see. Perfectly squared. Another issue that I ran into, as you can see this tab here, how it's rectangular and oval at the same time. This is the original piece, and you can see the original piece simply fits over and locks itself into place, and it doesn't come out because it's screwed to the door right there, and this piece of course is screwed to the door. So it's not going to come off. Okay, so on this end, and if you look at my first video, you'll see that this is also from a 66 C10 pickup. It was slightly different right here, as it was at a degree where it came off like an elbow. So I had to shorten it and re-weld it. But anyway, I went to attach this to here, and again it had the exact same deal on it. I've already removed it because it wouldn't go over like this, even though these are both Chinese crap. Should have worked. Probably made in the same exact factory. They didn't even seem to bother to check the fit to see if these two pieces would mesh together. Same thing happened on the driver's door. I went to put this on, and I tapped it with the hammer, and then boom, the freaking metal just snapped right off. So what I did was I took a washer, and again, it's a good thing I've got a welder. They'd be super pissed. So I put this on like that. Sorry, I can't do this, guys, with one hand. But anyway, you get the idea. I had to put a washer over it like this, and then welded the washer on, and that worked perfect. And I was able to get it on, in case you're wondering, well, was I able to get it on with this? Because normally you would put this in the door, and you have the track for the window, the guide is actually in the way. But yeah, you can do it without having to remove the window track. And let me show you what it's going to look like. Hang on. So what I did is I just took a file and filed that tab, and I was able to press on the washer for a nice snug fit to hold it in place. There's still a floating gap in there, so I can not worry about the fulcrum arm rubbing. And now, as you can see, that works perfect. This is even stronger than it was from the factory. And to show you that it does work, these 66 C10 parts on the Chevy G vans. Okay, I installed it on this door, You can see the door is shut. You see how it opens. Here's where the weld wound up. I flattened it out here so it wouldn't snag. And it works great. And my door's making a little bit of noise because it's rubbing right here as I open it because of the dent. But in any case, to lock it, all you do is just do that. Oops, wrong way. Go forward. Oh, shit. Well, it was working a second ago. Okay. Well, it doesn't work very well, but I don't know what the hell, man. It's give or take. Probably got to do some kind of an adjustment. You can see right now it is locked. Also, on these vans, you lock it from the key. So that way the button cannot be depressed and it cannot move and open the door. Okay. See, opening it from the inside is no problem at all. And then that does lock it. Going back. Open. Oh. So I guess you gotta manually put it back in the back position in order to shut the door. See, that's forward position. It's not going to latch unless you go like that. All right, cool. So now I'm going to stick this one on this door. This is the reason I bought these, because this door, when I bought the truck, didn't have any latch mechanism at all on this side. No arm and no door jamb latch. But anyway, now I know for sure that this works, so I recommend doing it, but you are going to do some welding. And even if you're able to get this on, I recommend doing exactly what I did. If you got the welder, take the tabs off, put a washer, fit it snug, and then weld it. So you don't have to worry about it coming off or even breaking, because that was really, really cheap metal there. It just, like pot metal, just fractured instantly. As soon as I tried to press this on over it. If you wanted, I guess you could take a file and make it a little bit smaller so you can get the rod over it. But it doesn't want to go on. It's just too big. But I don't know, maybe I just got a bad batch, but both of them were the same. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. If you got anything out of it, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. The more you guys give me thumbs up, man, the more I appreciate it, the more I make videos. So anyway, Rick Steele Customs out.